Sit down in a meditative position. Keep your eyes closed. Focus your entire attention on your breathing and the sound of conch. Get ready to chant mantra Om 7 times. Make your statement of intent, Sankalpa. I'm chanting mantra Om, creating a protective energy field around me that keeps me protected from all external negative influences, antibodies, and viruses. I'm creating my protection in 3 layers. Outermost layer consists of 6 friendly creatures, an elephant behind me, a peacock in front, a tiger on the right side, a lion on the left side, an eagle above my head, and a black tortoise below me. Inside of that, I have a big ring with balls of fire. I'm lighting all the balls, allowing a firewall to go up all around me that works like a protective shield. The third layer of protection comes from the subtle energy of mantra Om. Take your awareness to your perineum Muladhara chakra at the cervix. Visualize a 4-petal lotus, color red. Rest of the visualization you already know. The energy of the color will rise up from inside your spinal cord, pierce through the center of your head at Sushumna Nadi, and fall all around you like a protective fountain, enveloping you in a protective layer. Take a deep breath. Take your awareness to Swadhisthana Chakra at the spinal terminus, coccyx bone, 6-petal lotus, orange color. Increase your pitch a little bit. Take a deep breath. Take your awareness to Manipura Chakra behind your navel. 10-petal lotus, yellow color. Increase pitch further. Take a deep breath. Take your awareness to Anahata Chakra behind your heart center. 12-petal lotus, green color. Increase pitch further. Take a deep breath. Take your awareness to Vishuddhi Chakra behind your throat pit, 16-petal lotus, blue color. Increase pitch further, take a deep breath. Take your awareness to Ajna Chakra behind your eyebrow center, 2-petal lotus, indigo color. Increase pitch further, take a deep breath. Take your awareness to Sahasrara Chakra, center of the top of your head, 1000-petal lotus, white color. Increase pitch further, take a deep breath. Shanti mantras. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinamadidamarstu Ma Viddhishavahai. Om Shanti 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 Arigi Om. Keep your hands in Linga Mudra, interlace all your fingers, left hand thumb erect, right hand thumb and index finger rotates around the left hand thumb. Follow me in making your sankalpa. I am chanting Mahamrityunjaya mantra for physical health and mental well-being. Chanting the mantra every day helps me maintain the best of health mentally and physically. All my brain cells and my body cells are operating optimally and in harmony with each other. I can feel your grace, my Lord, penetrating deep into my body, energizing each and every brain cell and body cell, keeping me in pristine health at all times. I bow down before you, thanking you from the bottom of my heart for keeping me in pristine health, and I promise to put in efforts from my side for keeping this body in a healthy condition, befitting for you to reside inside my body in your effulgent form. If you know the mantra, chant along, otherwise just be in the vibrations of the mantra. Om Triyambakam Yajamage Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarkamiva Bandhanan Mrityor Mukshi Yamamritat. Om Triyambakam Yajamage Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarkamiva Bandhanan Mrityor Mukshi Yamamritat. Om Triyambakam Yajamage Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrityor Mukshi Yamamritat. Om Shanti 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 Arigi Om. Slowly disengage both your hands. Keep them on your knees. Keep your body absolutely steady and immobile. And in the steadiness of that body, experience the steadiness of your mind. Observe the thoughts and see the reduced dissipation in your thoughts. And as you are watching your thoughts, ask yourself, where is the next thought going to come from? As soon as you ask that question, there will be a momentary silence and blankness, Focus your attention on that blankness and try and expand that duration of the blankness before the next thought comes in. Repeat 3-4 times on your own. Feel completely grounded to Mother Earth. Feel confident that she will always provide you for all your necessities in life. Feel a unique surge of energy coming up from Mother Earth, penetrating your body, energizing each and every brain cell and body cell, giving you a unique confidence to deal with all external circumstances, be they pleasant or unpleasant. Very slowly, release your legs, release your hands, open your eyes, and get ready for today's practice. We are doing lesson 8. We'll be doing the full lesson, except for Tratak, which you can practice on your own. So stand up for Surya Namaskar. Keep your hands in Namaskar position. Close your eyes. Visualize how you are standing. Pay attention to your posture. Is your body steady? If there is slight vibrations in the body, try and stabilize them. Feel that you are pulling in pranic energy from Mother Earth coming in through your feet, cosmic energy from above coming in through your head. These two energies are exploding inside your body into a powerful divine energy. Hold your breath. Spread this divine energy to each and every part of the body, energizing every cell in the body. As you breathe out, visualize that you're flushing out all the cares and worries of the body and the mind, all the ailments of the body. Hold your breath outside. Feel your body is completely rejuvenated, recharged, and energetic. Repeat once more, breathing in pranic
Sir, I think we cannot hear you. Right, Deepa?
But I'm not able to hear.
Right. I was just wondering if it was me.
Yeah, even I cannot hear.
What happened was when I
Now we
muted
can.
on, I got muted myself, or I think my system must have recharged or something like that.
Because we were just in the standing position with eyes closed. After that, we did nothing.
Okay, fine. We'll start again.
Yeah.
Basically, what we are trying to do is to convert the Surya Namaskar practice into a somatic practice. So first, we will mentally visualize the 12 steps in our mind's eye. After we have visualized the 12 steps, then we will do the 12 steps actually. So get ready, stand in a Namaskar position for Surya Namaskar, close your eyes, feel your body. If there is any slight swaying or movement in the body, just hold yourself steady. Now in your mind's eye, slowly visualize you're releasing the folded hands and breathing in, you're raising your hands above and bending the back a little bit, stretching your neck, looking at the ceiling. Feel the stretch in the neck mentally. Then breathing out, let your hands come closer to your toes, wherever it can reach. Now mentally visualize you're taking the right leg backwards, breathing in, the left leg folded into a horse trot position. Now mentally visualize breathing out, you're taking the left leg back, head is down in a mountain pose. Now you're coming into Sashtang Namaskar, chin, chest, knees are on the ground. Mentally visualize this posture. Hold your breath. Now breathing in, raise your upper torso up. Try to look at the ceiling, Bhujangasana. Now breathing out, come back to mountain pose. Breathing in, bring your left leg forward in horse trot position. Breathing out, bring your right leg forward, hands are down towards the toes. Breathing in, mentally visualize you're raising both the hands up, slightly bending the back, looking up at the ceiling, giving a nice stretch to the neck, feel the stretch in the neck. And then breathing out, bring both the hands back into Namaskar position. Now release your hands, take a couple of breaths and then come back to position, actually do the practice. And if you want to follow me, you can watch and follow, or if you know the steps, please continue on your own. So standing in Namaskar position, start breathing out. Then breathing in, both the hands up, head up, stretch the neck. Breathing out, hands down toward the toes. Breathing in, right leg back, left leg bend in horse trot position. Breathing out, left leg back, head down. Hold your breath. Sashtang Namaskar. Breathing in, Bhujangasana, upper torso up, look at the ceiling. Breathing out, mountain pose. Breathing in, left leg forward in horse trot position. Breathing out, right leg forward. Breathing in, hands up, head up, stretch the neck. Breathing out, hands back in Namaskar. Namaskar position. Then release your hands. Take a breath. You will complete the round. This time you will take the left leg forward first. So get ready. Hands in Namaskar position. Take a deep breath in, then start breathing out. As you're breathing in, release your hands and raise the head up, hands up, head up. Stretch to the head. Breathing out, bring both the hands down closer to the toes, if possible, touch the ground. Breathing in, left leg forward, backwards, right leg bend, horse squat position, look up. Breathing out, right leg backward, head down, mountain pose. Hold your breath, Sashtang Namaskar. Breathing in, Bhujangasana. Look up. Breathing out, head down, Parvatasana. Breathing in, right leg forward first. Look up. Breathing out, bring the left leg forward. Hands closer to the toes. Breathing in, take both the hands up, head up. Breathing out, come back to Namaskar position. Release your hands. And then lie down in Shavasana. Once you've completed, lie down in Shavasana. Smita, I think your video is frozen. Lie down in Shavasana and just pay attention to your body. Feel the effect of what you have done just now in terms of sun salutation. Various parts of your body may be wanting to communicate with you, like the joints in the body, the bones and the muscles in the body. There may be nerves wanting to communicate. How do you feel in terms of relaxing the body now? Are you focusing your attention on your breath? Can you feel your breath has started slowing down? It has become longer. As you relax your body more and more, your breathing becomes slower, deeper, softer. Can you experience it? Feel your whole body sinking down more and more into the ground as it relaxes more and more. Feel a sense of rejuvenation. A feeling of unique sense of energy inside your body. Then very slowly turn to one side with the support of your hands, keeping the head looking down. Very slowly get up and sit down. The first practice we are going to do is half butterfly. I can't see any of you, so if you can slightly adjust your cameras, it will be helpful. Can you hear me? Can somebody communicate, please?
I can hear you.
Okay. Because there was no response, I was wondering. Yeah. Please sit up. You're going to do the half butterfly. So first fold your right leg across the left thigh. Hold it with both your hands. And very slowly raise the leg up with the knees almost touching your shoulder. And then allow it to come down very slowly. Do it slowly. Bring it up very slowly. And bring it down very slowly. Bring it up. Now, if possible, close your eyes. Visualize how the leg is coming up, touching the shoulder, how slowly you are taking it down. Feel when it touches the ground. Pay complete attention to your ankles, ankle joints, knees and knee joint, hip and hip joint. Tell yourself you are relaxing all of them with the half butterfly pose. Now try to increase the speed. Feel the flexibility at the ankle increasing as you increase the speed. And then very slowly stretch your leg forward. And then stretch it from outside, fold it from outside to counterbalance. And then stretch it back. We'll now repeat this on the left leg. So fold your left leg, hold it with both the hands. Very slowly, closing your eyes, feeling all the muscles. Take the leg up. As you're taking it down, see how slowly it is going down and touching the ground. Pay attention to your ankle muscles, ankle joint. Pay attention to your knee muscles, knee joint. Pay attention to your hip joint and hip muscles. And see how when you're raising your leg up, they are contracting. When you're slowly taking it down, they are relaxing and releasing back to their resting tone. Very slowly, when you're raising the leg up, feel the contraction of the muscles. And when you're taking the leg down, feel the relaxation of the muscle. Complete attention on your leg. And now increase the speed. As you increase the speed, feel the flexibility of your ankle joints increasing. And then stretch your leg out. Fold it from outside. Then stretch it back. The next one in the lesson is Shroni Chakra, knee rotation. So if you want to shake your legs a little bit, you can shake them. And then very slowly fold your right leg. If you want to hold your right knee, you can hold it. Otherwise, you can keep your hand behind and very slowly rotate it in clockwise direction. Close your eyes. Pay attention to your ankle joints, hip joints, and knee joint. And try and increase the circumference of your circle as you're slowly taking it round. When your knee is going up, breathe in. When your knee is going down, breathe out. Feel the muscles contracting when you're raising the leg up. Feel the muscles relaxing when you're taking the leg down. Now stop your movement and go anti-clockwise. Then stretch your leg, fold it from outside, then stretch it back. Now you'll do knee rotation on the left leg on your own. Pay attention to the muscles, contraction, relaxation. 5 rounds clockwise, 5 rounds anti-clockwise, and then stretch your legs, then fold it from outside and relax. Then relax a little bit. I'll wait for everybody to complete. Now the next movement is Bhujangasana. So for Bhujangasana, you lie on your stomach. Hands by the side of your shoulders, forehead on the ground. Breathing in with the support of your hands, you will bring the upper torso up. Eyes look at the ceiling. Feel the contraction at the lower spine. Hold your breath. Very slowly breathing out. Allowing your hands to bend down, bring your forehead back to rest on the ground very slowly, and then hold your breath. When you are ready, once again breathing in, raise your head up, eyes look at the ceiling, hands are straight, feel the contraction at the lower back. At the same time, experience the front side of the body muscles are stretching. The back side muscles are contracting. And then breathing out, very slowly, feeling both the sides muscles resting back to their tonus. Bring your head down to rest on the forehead rest on the ground. Do it very slowly. As you're coming down, experience the muscles relaxing and do it slowly. Second round, breathing in. Very slowly, take your head up. Eyes look at the ceiling. Contraction on the lower back. Stretching on the front muscles. Hold your breath. Then when you're ready to breathe out, start coming down very slowly. experience the back muscles relaxing, front muscles relaxing, all of them going back to their resting tonus. Then release. Now the next position, next movement, next asana is Shashank Asana. So you will come into Vajrasana for this. You'll keep both the hands on your knees. Breathing in, you will raise both the hands. Allow them to be close to your ears. Your face and your hands will be one unit. Hold your breath. Breathing out, start bending forward, keeping them as one unit till the hand touches the ground. Then bend at the elbow till your forehead can touch the ground. Hold your breath. Breathing in, keeping the hands and the head as one unit. Very slowly come up and straighten. Hold your breath. Then breathing out, bring your hands down from the sides. Take a couple of breaths. Once again, hands on your knees. Breathing in, raise both the hands up, close to the ears. Keep them as one unit. Hold your breath. Breathing out, start moving forward till the hand touches the ground. Then bend your elbows. Allow your forehead to touch the ground. Hold your breath. Breathing in, raise your hands and head up as one unit till they come to the straight position. Hold your breath. Breathing out, bring them down from the sides and relax. Last round on your own. Start. When you have completed, stretch your legs and relax a little bit. Just keep your hands by the side of the body, close your eyes and feel the effect of what all you have done till now on your body. Can you feel any changes inside? How do the sides of the body feel? Does the body feel heavier or does it feel lighter? How is your breathing? Is the breathing shallow or is the breathing deeper? Just observe what is happening. Pay more and more attention to yourself and your inner body. That's all that you are doing. There is no correct way, there is no wrong way. You are experiencing your own internal changes. Then very slowly get ready for the next practice, which is Ushtrasana. So come back first into Vajrasana. From Vajrasana, you will raise your thighs up. So now your thighs, your torso and your face, they are all in one straight line. Now in this position, breathe in completely. Keep some distance between the two knees so that you can balance. Now breathe in completely. While breathing out, twist the body to the right side, catch the right ankle. Then twist the body to the left side, catch the left ankle. Push the body forward, bend the head down. Hold your breath. Hold your breath. Then breathing out, very slowly come back to Vajrasana. So second round, get ready, come back to straight position. Breathe in completely. Breathing out, turn to right side, catch the right ankle, turn to left side, catch the left ankle, push the body forward, bend the head backwards. Hold your breath. Breathing in, come back to vertical position. Hold your breath. Breathing out, very slowly come back to sit in Vajrasana, then release Vajrasana, stretch your legs out, and once again try to experience the effect of what you have done. Can you feel any changes in your head region and the brain? Can you feel more blood flowing there now? Can you feel any changes in your face and the facial muscles? Do you feel any changes in your shoulders? Because you twisted on the right side, then you twisted on the left side. Can you feel anything in your pelvic area? The major organs are all in your pelvis. You have your liver, stomach, gallbladder, spleen, kidneys, intestines. Can you feel any changes there? Do you feel more blood is flowing there now? Then get ready for the next practice. Which is Meru Vakrasana. So stretch both the legs out. And then fold your left leg. The left foot is close to the right knee. Now in this position, you will take the left hand, take it behind, fingers pointed away from your body. The right hand is on your right knee. Now in this position, breathing in, raise your right hand up, hold your breath. Breathing out, take the right hand across the left knee, keep the palm on the ground, fingers towards your foot, and then turn the head back. Hold your breath, or breathe normally to hold for a longer time. Then very slowly breathing in, raise your right hand. Take a couple of breaths. Once again, fold your left leg, right hand behind you. Left hand behind you, right hand on your right knee. Breathing in, raise your right hand, hold your breath. Breathing out, bring it across the left knee, place it on the floor, turn your face to the back side, towards the right side, left side, sorry, and then breathe normally to hold your position. Then breathing in, raise your right hand back, hold your breath. And then breathing out, stretch the left leg, right hand comes down, left hand comes back, and then relax. Now pay attention to both your legs. Can you see any difference between the right leg and the left leg? Pay particular attention to the back of your knees. Can you see any difference there? Is the left knee at the back touching the ground closer as compared to the right knee? Is there any difference between them? Do you feel the left leg is closer to the ground as compared to the right leg? And now get ready to practice on the other side. So fold your right leg. Right hand behind you, fingers pointing away from the body. Left hand is on the left knee. Breathing in, raise your left hand up. Hold your breath. Bring your left hand down across the right knee. Palms on the ground. Turn the head to the right side. Breathe normally to hold your position. Breathing in, raise your left hand back. Breathing out, bring the left hand down, stretch the right leg, bring the right hand back. Relax. Last round. Get ready, fold your right leg. Bring the right foot closer to the left knee. The right hand behind you, fingers pointing away from your body. Left hand on your left knee. Breathing in, raise your left hand up. Hold your breath. Breathing out, bring the left hand across your right knee. Placing the left palm on the ground, turn the face to the right side. Breathe normally to hold your position. Breathing in, raise the left hand back, straight up. Hold your breath. Breathing out, bring the left hand down, stretch the right leg and bring the right hand back to central position. Take a couple of breaths out and in, and then lie down in Shavasana. Lie down in Shavasana. Hands by the side of your body, palms facing the sky. Relax your whole body. Now sit yourself. I'm relaxing both my legs. Both my legs are relaxed. I'm relaxing both my hands. Both my hands are relaxed. I am relaxing both my shoulders. Both my shoulders are relaxed. I am relaxing my entire back. My entire back is relaxed. I am relaxing the back of my neck. Back of my neck is relaxed. I'm relaxing my head. My head is relaxed. I'm relaxing my face. My face is relaxed. I'm relaxing front side of my neck. Front side of my neck is relaxed. I'm relaxing my chest, rib cage, lungs and my heart. My chest, rib cage, lungs and my heart. I'm relaxing my entire front side of the body, relaxing the diaphragm and all the organs of the pelvic region. my diaphragm, and all the organs of my pelvic region are completely relaxed. My whole body is relaxed, and the relaxed body is sinking deeper and deeper into the ground. Experience a state of accentuated relaxation. Pay attention to your breathing. See how the breathing has become deep, slow, rhythmic. As you breathe in, the abdomen expands, then the chest expands, then the shoulder expands. When you breathe out, the chest collapses, the shoulder collapses, chest collapses, then the abdomen shrinks closer towards the spine. Just experience this. Now slowly become aware of the posture in which you're lying. Gently close and open your fingers. Twitch your toes. Fold your hands at the elbow and stretch them back. Fold your legs at the knee joint and stretch them back. Take your hands above your head and stretch them nicely behind, and then stretch the foot forward, giving the whole body a wonderful stretch. Then very slowly turn to one side, keeping your heads looking down. Sit up. We will do pranayamic practices with bandhas. So start breathing in, close your right nostril, breathe in from left for whatever count you can normally breathe. Hold your breath, hold it for whatever time you can comfortably hold. Keep a count for your own understanding. Breathe out for the same count as you took the breath in. And then breathe in from the right nostril. Hold your breath, try to match the same count as before. Then open the left nostril and breathe out from the left for the same count as you took to breathe in. So it's alternate nasal breathing with bandha, holding the breath. Continue till I call out. Complete your round. The last practice is called Agochari Mudra, or gazing at the nose tip. So very gently bring the both your eyes to focus on your nose tip. Watch your thoughts when you're looking at your nose tip. Is your attention on the nose tip, or has the mind wandered somewhere? Bring it back, focus on the nose tip. When you feel a little tired, close your eyes. With the eyes closed, try to gauge at the nose tip. When you have rested adequately, very slowly, once again, open your eyes, look at your nose tip. And continue to look at the nose tip as I blow the shak. Get ready to chant mantra Om 3 times. Make your sankalpa. I'm chanting mantra Om, creating a protective energy field around me that keeps me protected from all external negative influences, antibodies, and viruses. Take a deep breath. Shanti mantras. Asatoma sadgamaya, tamasoma jyotirgamaya, mrityorma mritam gamaya, sarvesham swastir bhavatu, sarvesham shantir bhavatu, sarvesham purnam bhavatu, sarvesham mangalam bhavatu, loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Om Triyambakam Yajamade Sugandhim Pushtivardanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrityor Mukshiyamamtat. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om. Rub your hands nicely. When they're warm, then keep them on your eyes. Feel the warmth flowing in from the palm into the eyes. Then very gently open the eyes. And very slowly release your palms. Hari Om Tat Sat. So have a great weekend. See you all on Monday. Practices.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye.